Create your background adjustment layer. Choose any color that you want. I'm using this color. Bring your text. Now import your picture. Decrease the opacity. Now right click. Bring back the opacity. Now right click. Create clipping marks. Hit Ctrl J to duplicate. Go to the selection button here. Select subject. Refine selection. Now the selection is good. Hit on the marks here. Duplicate the text. Put the original one on top. Bring back the fill to 0. Right click and choose blending option. Click on stroke. Use these settings. Click on drop shadow. Use these settings. Click OK. Now bring your text. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.